I recently noticed the improvements to Crealitycloud and the collection of models, although there's still a lot of flexies and useless things, but that's everywhere and a topic for another video. I found this lamp by Helio. I've seen their work on other sites and actually printed one of their planters before, which my wife really loved, so I thought I'd give this a go and be able to use an old lamp cord that I've had hanging around for a while. My son always loves the sound of the prints coming off the bed, and the Delta design of the FL Sun was made for this kind of continuous round print. This was the longest print I've ever done on a printer. The base took 6 hours and 34 minutes. The shade was printed using vase mode or vase mode, which was actually the first for me printing for almost 6 years. I've never had a model that vase mode suited, and I was genuinely surprised how it came out, especially considering I used pretty cheap filament for it because I wasn't sure how it was going to go. It's flimsy, but it still feels strong, if that makes sense, but I definitely wouldn't print an actual vase like that. Too many projects at one time going on here. Let's try to clean this up, although new project coming soon if you've got a Raspberry Pi. If you've put together a lamp before, you know how easy this is, but if you haven't, it might seem a little daunting. It's not. The top unscrews, you insert the bottom, in this case into the connecting plate, and screw the top back on. I literally had this cord in my salvaged bits and pieces for about 15 years. I knew it would come in handy one day. This model fits together really well. The plate twists in and it's really secure. The shade in vase mode is pretty flexible, and if you wanted, you could hit it with a little super glue to stick it to the connecting plate, but I like the idea of being able to take it off easily and dust. We all know how dusty lamps can get. And with it together, the reveal! I wanted to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I've been a little bit missing in action this year because I've been working on another small channel that I'm trying to get off the ground. If you have little kids, check out Professor Micro. Yes, I make it with AI to animate. It's really to save time. I do put a lot of time into the scripts and trying to make it interesting for kids to get them off the TikToks. So have a look. As always, all the gear and a link to Professor Micro is in the description, so have a look. Thanks, everybody.